Hi everybody, Justin Crozier here, Crozier Pressure Washing. We're here in Riverside, Alabama at the second job for today. Doing a little bit of gutter cleaning at this house. Turn the camera around so you can see. This is what we're doing. We're cleaning these gutters out. These gutters are completely filled with leaves and dirt and debris, everything. So we're going to be cleaning these out, making sure they look good. So this is very, very important to get this done. By neglecting to get your gutters cleaned, you could run into the risk of having a very, very bad problem on your hands because of damaged siding, water leaking into the inside of your home. So the best thing to do is to call a professional. We can come out and get your gutters cleaned. Again, this is what the gutters look like now. Full of leaves, full of debris, full of dirt. These gutters are about the same on the whole entire house. So we're gonna be getting these cleaned out. So again, 256-390-7523. We can get your gutters cleaned out. So give us a call. I can give you an estimate on that. This is the perfect time to get it done. We've had a lot of rain. So very, very important to us. Check your gutters out. Thank you so much.